Recently, I was introduced to Herbalife meal replacement shakes. Before then, I had never heard of the product. Long story short, using the product along with diet and exercise, I was able to drop over 12 pounds and close to 4 inches in my waist in about 3 weeks. And it was at that point that I decided to travel the world and visit various Herbalife clubs to hear inspiring stories, check out some great recipes as I continue to live my best Herbalife and help you to live yours. Can you dig that? I can dig it. Dig That Nutrition. Let's go. I travel all around the world, I'm seeing different faces and Herbalife clubs in various places. Now watch me grind and lose this weight one Herbalife shake at a time. Now watch me grind and lose this weight one Herbalife shake at a time. Now watch me grind and lose this weight one Herbalife shake at a time. On this episode of the Herbalife Road Show, I'm back home where it all started for me at Goodlettsville Nutrition, hanging out with a good friend who shared his inspiring Herbalife story, as well as shared with me a bad and Boujee loaded tea recipe and a nutter butter meal replacement shake. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this episode. Can you dig that? I can dig that. Dig That Nutrition. Let's go.
Bring it down, boy! Come on! That meat feeling good today!
What is your name?
My name is Lamont Fryers, and I go by your boy Fry.
Okay, Lamont. Some of you all know, some of you all don't know, but Goodlettsville Nutrition, this is where it all started for me, right outside of Nashville. Now, Lamont, how did Herbalife find you as a product?
Oh man, I tell you what, man. During the pandemic, man, everything. I was working from home, getting bigger, and I had a show that was called The Fry Show, and I had 4 ladies on there. One of them was male fit stars here in Nashville, and she has a fiance named Cecil. And they had told me about the product before, and after the show and the healthiness of it, I challenged. I said, you know what? I'm gonna challenge Cecil, and I'm gonna become a distributor, and I'm gonna do the products. And if it don't work, I was gonna tell people don't follow them. But if it do work, I'm gonna tell them to follow me, and I'm here.
That's what. Now you was telling me like the first week you lost like how many pounds?
Man, Cecil told me to do 2 shakes and 2 teas a day, and then have a meal at night. So I said if I was gonna do it, and we're gonna see these 7 days, and in 7 days I lost 7 pounds, and I was like, oh yeah, it's on now.
That's how I was. I came out like, you know what? I said, man, I'm coming here and getting these banana pudding shakes, red velvet cheesecake shakes, and I was still losing weight. I said, oh, it's on, baby. It's on.
He gave me the goals, and it was a nutter butter, it was a Reese cup, it was a strawberry banana, and I think the other 2 were Snickers and Twix. And I was like, ain't no way this tastes like this, and it did. And I was like, you know what? Let's get it.
And so y'all hearing these shakes that he's naming, and a lot of y'all thinking, no, there's no way that these shakes taste like this, but they absolutely do.
Man, absolutely, man. Hey, you gonna take a sip and be like, no, come on, this can't be healthy. This can't. But so far, I done dropped 45 pounds since August. Man, appreciate it, bro. August the 1st is when I had my first shake and went on the journey, and as of yesterday, I was 278.
Wow. Now, you are a proud club owner here in Goodlettsville. How did this club find you, and what made you decide to start being a healthy bartender?
Oh man, look, it was Cecil and Gina James. They were in Murfreesboro, and they was like, I'll go up in and train a little bit, and they was like healthy bartenders. I thought it was pretty cool. My job was laying me off, so it was all right. And I got blessed, man, by 2 women, by Pam and Gina. They came and was like, hey, you want to join us in Goodlettsville? Because I live in the area, and I was like, absolutely. So it's like, boom, I'm here, and man, it's like it's wonderful.
So what's the So what's the best part about coming into the club every day for you?
Man, because when people come in here, they happy. They want me to help them get healthy. So they come in here and they smiling. Even if they not smiling, it's like, oh, come on, now it ain't that bad. And they say, oh, I'm tired, I need my energy. But they're coming in here, and to see people come in, the way things are going around in the world right now, and people are coming in here with a smile on their face because they want to get healthy, it makes me even continue to want to get healthy. But me and that person connecting because we on the same page of getting healthy. So helping people is like cool.
Yeah, and a lot of y'all don't see it, but I get to see the behind the scenes. He does a line dance class. This guy's so full of energy, and I'm gonna put some of the videos intertwined in his YouTube video. But I'm telling you, the boy got a line dance class, and they get. Hey, shuffle. He pulled me off my treadmill. I was on my treadmill doing my workout. It's my 21st wedding anniversary. Tomorrow's my 41st birthday. And I'm on my treadmill just working. And I'm seeing him on Facebook Live. I said, oh no, we gotta go down here and do this good nutrition. Give me some lunch. Give me a good video with a mic and some recipes, man. So I'm excited. So with that being said, thank you for your time, Lamont. We're about to get into some recipes. Can y'all dig that? I can dig that nutrition. All right, so what are you about to make me, Lamont?
It's about to be the Bad and Boujee, man. Since the new year, we had some loaded teas. Bad and Boujee has been our biggest seller, mostly for the taste, but primarily for the look of it when we get done with it.
Now, you said some of the men don't want to call it Bad and Boujee, so what do they call it?
They just call it the Amigos.
The Amigos, let's go.
For the lemon tea, tropical lift off. H3O. Fruit punch.